Alright, here's where the tornado came through Dundee. See the trees down everywhere. People's roofs off. Stuff laying all over the road, all over everywhere. That place right there, the whole top of the roof is ripped right off the house. Some trailer flipped upside down. Oh my god. Transformer laying in the ditch. Barn collapsed. Wow. Crazy. Power lines just ripped. Another transformer in the ditch. Like, there's the Kingdom Hall. Brothers are up on the hall right now. There's a house next door. Here's a house laying on the ground, flat. Brothers up working on the Kingdom Hall, putting the roof on the back side. Wow. This house over here on the right, completely leveled, looks like a two-story. The news crews here right now. Is this Channel 4? Has a two-story house, completely leveled. Debris strewn everywhere. Here's part of the house right here, part of the roof. Trees uprooted. Second story lifted right off of that. There's no roof on that building anymore. End of the house is ripped off right there and flipped over. Wow. It's crazy. That barn's down. The brick building's roof is off. Greenhouse is shattered. Here's a travel trailer. Looks like it just got blown right off the frame. Wow. Up here on the left is Cabela's. Noticing earlier the water park. End of the building is all off the end of the water park. Looks like Tractor Supply fared real well. Nothing wrong there. Trees down. Oh, it's right, no lights. No lights, no lights. Stop, go. Everything's shut down. There's the water park. I don't know if it's going to show or not, but the roof is ripped right off the water park. Lone Star Steakhouse, the sign's ripped right off the front of the building. Alright, that's it for Dundee.